Naranasan nyo na ba yun minsan mga kapatid na no matter how hard you try to save the ship, no matter how hard you prayed, how hard you fasted, para bagang hindi sumusunod at hindi nakikinig ang Panginoon. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi may mga shipwrecks sa ating buhay na resulta ng ating pagsuway. Isa sa mga reason kung bakit minsan tayo dumadaan sa shipwreck, kasi hindi tayo marunong makinig. May mga pagkakataon po sa ating buhay that we tried our best, pero unfortunately, because we did not listen, we are reaping the consequences of our choice. So kaya sila nasa shipwreck because they are not listening. Pangalawa, they are in the shipwreck not just because they are not listening, but because they are not in the right season. You know why, mga kapatid? Kung babasahin niyo po ang verse 9, watch this. Sabi ng verse 9, we had lost a lot of time. The weather was becoming dangerous for sea travel because it was so late in the fall, and Paul spoke to the ship's officer about it. So kung mababasa po ninyo, verse 9 po ito. Yung binasa natin kanina, verse 10. Ano ang sabi ng verse 10? Ang sabi ni Apostle Paul, bago sila maglayag, wag na kayong maglayag kasi yung barkong ito ay lulubog. Pero tinuloy pa rin nila. Pero kaya pala sinabi ni Apostle Paul na wag nang tumuloy kasi may alam pala siya sa verse 9, kaya niya nasabi yung verse 10. Ano ang sinabi niya sa verse 9? And the weather was becoming dangerous because it was so late in the fall. Meaning, papunta na yung winter season. Hindi sila nakinig sa sinabi ni Apostle Paul that they are not in the right season. Ibig sabihin, kaya sila nasa shipwreck kasi minadali nila yung bagay na wala pa sa panahon.